Today topic is how to write a story in English. My house. My house name is Nashaman. It's situated in Lahore. It's single English.l house. It has four bedrooms. Beside these four bedrooms, it has drawing room, a kitchen. In a storeroom, it is fifth gas and electricity. It has water pipe too. It's made of brick and cement. There are flower pots in compound. It has boundary wall. My house has one kitchen and three guest room and two washroom. My house is near the mosque. Behind my house there is garden where all type of flowers. I take care of my house so that it become more beautiful. How is your house? Write in comment. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. For more video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.